Now we will have the announcement of the winner of the Jean-Thierry Kéchichian Community Award. After the passing our beloved Jean-Thierry, to honor him, keep his memory alive, and foremost inspire people to do good work for the community, we launched an award named after him for exceptional community members. Each year, the community votes on who has done the most for Orchard Core. This can entail activities in the form of code contribution, including documentation, help under issues and discussion, evangelization, outreach, community management, or anything else. However, it needs to be public and tangible. After a public round of nominations, the community voted on the nominees secretly. Perks of winning the Community Award. The award is foremost about recognition, however, the community provides some perks too. Mention of each year's winner in the Orchard Core documentation, post about it under the Orchard X account. Lombik provides free custom domain usage on .nest and publicizing the winner in Lombik's media. And the winner is Hisham. So, So, unfortunately, he couldn't join us today, but at least he will be able to watch back the video, and he will be really happy to see this. And I would like to also mention that he helped a lot in organizing our event as well. So I think he can get one more huge applause for this.